Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to clean your system data on iPhone 16e. If your iPhone takes up a lot of system data, I'm gonna show you how to check it. Go to the settings, general, iPhone storage, and then you can just scroll all the way down. And if you say system data, in my case it doesn't use too much because it's just 6 gigabytes of 512 that I have installed, but it'll still maybe some of the things that I'm gonna try will still do something. So the first thing is going to the Safari, then clicking on the history button, going to the history. Now you can click on edit, or actually you should be able to click on clear, but for some reason I can't clear it. Okay, I'm gonna try again. Okay, so I'm just gonna click on edit and delete the things that I can. I don't really know why I can't clear it all, but I think you should have the clear. Okay, I don't even have the delete button for some weird reason. So yeah, you should have it from what I believe, but maybe it's because I have some settings changed. So I'm just gonna go to the screen time, content and privacy restrictions, and I'm gonna disable it. So now I can delete the history, I think. I'll restart the Safari. And yes, now I can clear it. So I'm gonna clear, and you can clear it from last hour, today and this day, or all history. Remember that it will delete actually your whole history. So if you have anything important that you want to go back to, then maybe skip this step. Then also it's worth managing the iCloud photos. So you can go to the settings, and in the settings click on your name at the top, then select iCloud, and now you can go to photos, and first I recommend clicking on sync now. And after that, disable syncing and enable it back on. So now let's go to the third tip, which is force restarting your phone. This can also free up some storage from the system data. So you need to shortly click on volume up, then shortly click on volume down, and then press and hold on the power button, and keep on pressing and holding on only that button until the display shows the Apple logo. Okay, I think I've held for too long, but it should boot anyway. And yes, it has. So now we can continue with the next step, which, if there is any app like Instagram or WhatsApp or Facebook, YouTube, Firefox, LinkedIn, different apps, then you may want to take that app, uninstall it and reinstall it. So I'm gonna press and hold, I'm gonna edit pages, options. Hold on a second because I have a page disabled, so I'm just gonna edit the home pages in the focus mode. So now I can see my Facebook. I can press and hold on it, remove it, delete, and now I can go back to the App Store and reinstall it. That will help me clear up the storage. Now we can also go to Settings, Apps, Messages, and then go to Keep Messages, and you can, for example, set it to keep. Of course, that's based on your preference. If you want to keep all the messages, if you need them, then leave it on forever. But if you don't need your old messages, you can set it to keep messages for 1 year or 30 days, and after that it will permanently delete the older messages. And now the last method is gonna be quite complicated. First, you need to close all apps. Then enable airplane mode. And ensure that Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are disabled. So I'm gonna click here and disable the Bluetooth as well. Then you need to go to the Settings, Apps, Messages. Then go to the Keep Messages and make sure it's set to forever. Then go to Settings as well, but General, Date and Time, and turn off Set Automatically. Then manually set the year to 1 year ahead. So I'm just gonna set it to March 2026. Now wait a minute. So I'm just gonna go back and wait a minute. And after that minute, we can close Settings, reopen them, go to General, iPhone storage, check our system data. And of course, if it's between 7 and 20 gigabytes, it's normal. But if it's taking almost all your storage, then it's not as normal. And if this didn't help, the changing to 1 year ahead, then you should go to General, Date and Time, and instead of 1 year ahead, set it back to the actual date, but set it to 3 months ahead. So as I'm in March, I'm gonna set it to June. Then I'm gonna go back. Let's see if the date is changed. Yes, because it's actually Saturday now, so it shows Sunday, so probably it's a different month. And now wait a minute again. And after that minute, you should go to General, iPhone storage, and check it here as well. You can see some of the data was freed up now. And now, after everything is done, you should reset the date and time to automatic. So go to General, Date and Time, set automatically, then disable the airplane mode, and if needed, reactivate Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.